Bruiser, you want to catch your ball? Here. I don't even, he didn't even notice me throw it. I gotta go get it. Do you want to go walk up in the trail? Come on, Bruce. Mr. Bruiser and I are out hiking, walking more. It's in the 90s. I don't know. It's like 95 degrees out, and it is so hot. Oh, look at this little wind chime. We just stumbled on. Pretty. It's here. Here's Mr. Bruiser. There he is. Tiny little foot of trail. I'm a-coming. Where are you going? Bruiser, thought you was leading. Come on. Thank you. Oh, I passed you. Bye, Bruiser. He likes to be in the front. He'll pass me soon. No? Not gonna pass me? There he goes. Come on, Bruiser. Fallen trees over here.